guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video. So today is like a little mix up thing I go on. Like I have Amazon, right? We get part on one Shein package, just one. It's one package. I also received my second package that was shipped directly from Amazon to Jamaica. Yes. So let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, my table is full of envelopes. Alright, so let's open these. Okay, so the first one, Lord. Yeah. Alright, let me just cut it. I need okay. Alright, so one of the main reasons why I had to do this, well, two reasons why I'm doing the video now. One, I just got off the road and I already have on clothes and everything, so I'm gonna say why not. Okay. Two, I need to wash out this. So in that package, little did I know, like I know what you never think. I bought some newborn stuff for my little one, right? But the ones I'm gonna buy is like a onesie. It's like a onesie, but I needed something that's like stop right at the navel. So I had to go back for these, they call it diaper tops, right? So isn't it looking cute? So I bought these are a pack of 5, I think, or 6. Carters 0 to 3 months old, side snap and everything. And I bought some locally as well. We have to support Jamaica, right? So I needed these to wash out, so it can go in my hospital bag, right? And gonna take too long to do that either. This now, I saw this on something like this on TikTok or Instagram. It's like it puts it goes with tubes. Okay, relax. Goes with tubes. So you put it over the tube and it just easily wipe. So they come with like top. So you don't have to use your hand or anything. You just wipe directly wherever you want it to go. So here it is. I will put a photo, as a small thing, right? And everything that you see me with right here, you can check out the link in the description box below, which leads you to my Amazon storefront, right? So I already curated these in a list of what you probably need for newborns, or what I got for my newborn. It can help you decide, probably for a gift or for your little bundle of joy on the way. So you can check out that. This now is a baby bath thermometer. So I already have a bath that has a built-in thermometer, but I also have a next bath that doesn't, right? So depending on which one, I'm not sure which one I will probably use when for newborn stage. So I got this just the same. It was very reasonable. I need battery. I need cell battery, so I forgot to remember that. Write it down. So it goes in the bath and it detects the temperature, right? So you don't want it at an ideal range. So it doesn't be too hot or too cold for the baby, just right. So I got that as well. It was very affordable, like probably $8 for it, or $6. I remember. but it's in the list, right? So that's that. So let's see what is in this now. Why them not pull up properly? Them not Jesus. Good things I'm not have my scissors. Alright, so what is it? Oh, this is from a brand. A brand sent me, somebody sent me this. And I mean by that. I'm supposed to do a video for them as well. So, a third reason why I wanted is for childproofing. So, it's childproof. The door handles one with the handles that are hanging outwards, like in a round like this. It just, next type, yeah. So, I got two. So, I'm supposed to install it and show the process of installation, right? So yeah, they messaged me about this too, I'm going to do it. I'll probably do it if, in a couple of days and upload it. Alright, so we're going quickly, I think. Just the bag's not open properly. Alright, so let's try it. See, that's how it's supposed to open. Guys, me not sit back, I'm back at hurt me. Let's try sit back, I'm back at hurt me. Hold on. Whew. Jesus, no, I want it too far from the camera. Alright, I'm just move it. Hold on. Alright, resting back a little. You still on? Yes. Alright, so in this, alright, so good to check this properly when I wash the drop out. So in this now is a timer, right? For a water timer, like, yeah, to make it come on its own and water the place, yeah. Cause in before all of this, me and watering plants just, I now pour grass, cause this thing want change. So thanks be to God, I got this for free. I said free because I had to pay for clear it. So this was shipped to the overseas warehouse, right? But it's really for a review, regular review. Get it, just purchase, do the Amazon review, get it refunded by the brand, right? This is a set for, it's a funnel set, pack of 4 different sizes and everything, silicone. Yeah, so me get this. Remember why I get it, but me get it. Get it for a reason, must not remember why. So that is that. Alright, so give me a second. Alright, so I only have this one left as an envelope. And then I have boxes. Yeah, this still on. That's on. If you rip it apart, oh. What is now? What is this? Alright, so this is for my hospital bag. It's a bed slippers. I wear regular slipper Crocs. Our Crocs sandals. Not the one them We can't bother them, but me put a picture. So I will have a crock store in the house. But it's not you know keep your foot warm. I'm already working in the house and I want to pack it and mix with all of the clean stuff then. So I bought a bed slipper. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully it fits about my size. See here? Yeah. So it feels sturdy. So can't I'll let you know if it fits. Make it about that. Make it about that. Boy, now 5 foot in look a foot. Alright, so it's a bit snug, right? But the length is fine and it's warm. After 5 foot in my foot, it's a kind of tightish for me. But maybe my foot swell right now either, so that foot that gonna stay on the ground right now. me, so when we finish the video, I will pack up. But make for now, see the one I foot here. I think this. Let me see what's this. Okay, so more stuff to wash. So I didn't have any meetings. So I need mitten, so I got mitten. It's a pack of 6. Yeah. So I have to do some laundry so I can finally finish, pack my bag, and set it aside for the big day. The big debut of the little one. Alright. So that is what I have in the envelopes. Alright, so box time now. I think this one is from Shein, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. So I may buy something from them which is supposed to be fragile. So I'm saying probably it's it. Other stuff didn't reach it. Yeah. So for this Shein package, I bought the glass. They call them tumblers. They call them. I'll show you. It take time because they're glass. Look good enough, kind of itch up. So you get the glass straw. I'm gonna show you one of them. See there. So we can make a lemonade, like a Kool-Aid, like a tongue. I'm gonna look a turbo. I'm gonna feel fancy. But use this and get rid of the plastics, you know. Yeah, I have glass, something, but I want some with lids. This was very reasonable. Of course, it's Shein. Quality is good. We get 2 of the cleaning stuff then too. Okay, this 2 of the cleaning stuff to clean the straw. So it was a deal, and we said, okay, I'm not gonna leave it. Okay. So yeah, we want to set this down carefully. Put it back in our box. Our receipt, so what's receipt? So yeah, what's that? So let me just open this. I think this was sent to me by a brand heavy. All right, let me check. Let me check. I think I've been waiting for this. Well, from a brand for so long. and I finally get it. Finally find one brand that has it available to send and actually sent it. So before we get excited, let's open it, right? Okay. Cause you know what? Got things say me get. People talk to me nice and clean. Right? So I already have a rain shower, but it's a circular one I have, right? So the girl want to upgrade. So the girl been trying to get one of these, the square one, for so long. I'm begging them to give me in a chrome because a chrome I have in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna pay for this, let's pay for clear it. It was sent to me free of cost. $0.00. I say me can pull out and show you. Well, I don't want to be too long the butter, so it go. So this are the handheld, I think. Yeah, like hello. And the handheld part that come with the wire, the cord and so, or whatever I call the tube. Not put much of the man is supposed to do a video of install it, but more just want to show you what me get. So yes, I'm an Amazon influencer. So this is a perk. Soon to be a TikTok shop affiliate. Well, I'm a part of it, but me not starting on it. Want to start out some stuff first. So look why it's shiny. Oh my god, I can see myself in it. Oh my god, it's so shiny. Is it? Yes. So beg them because they were advertising the matte black. Me nana black me in there. So me say, can I get the silver / chrome? And him say, I'm gonna try source it for me and send it. And him send it. Right? So let's rest this right here, so. And then the last package. Oh. Alright, so since it's a lot of stuff, I've decided to split the video in two. So this will be a 2-part video, right? So this is the end of part 1, right? Here might some stuff in a part 2 because I'm adjusting about it, and we will resume part 2 in a bit.